Hey guys, Glen Murray Online. Happy Tuesday to you. Welcome to my little YouTube channel here. Okay, today's episode: how to make money online. How I'm going to show exactly how Richard and John have made over 200,000 in just one of their programs, guys. These are my upline in a lot of programs. I work closely with them. Richard has given me so much value. I appreciate everything he does, and thank you, Richard and John. Anyways, I want to show you the tools that they used, and I also want to invite you to join us on this journey because they are helping everybody, and it's amazing that the value that they bring to the community and to their whole team and everything. So that's what it's about. So first off, make sure you hit the subscribe button. You got to subscribe so you get notified when I do videos. I do videos on making money online, and it's really hopefully give you some insight. And I'm going to talk some hard numbers, guys, today. So it might not be what you want to hear. You might be going, really? That's what it takes? But yeah, because we're gonna dive into what Richard and John did in order to get 200,000 in commissions. That's 200,000 commissions. That's 400,000 in sales because that affiliate program pays 50%. That one affiliate program, guys, that's just one of their income streams. Another one that they've been in, basically autopilot for 9 months, has cranked out $60,000. It's crazy. I don't even know what the numbers in the other ones, excuse me, the other ones are, but it's phenomenal. And these guys are at it every day. They're working. They're in the trenches. And what's cool is when you join our team, is you get to be right in there with us as part of the team. So it's super cool. All right, so first off, I'm going to show you who they are. These guys are. This is John and Richard. It's a father and son. And actually, Richard on the left there, he's actually been doing this for something like 22 years, I think, or maybe even longer. He struggled. He had a retail store, and he found online marketing. He just did it and kept doing it. And he basically, what's cool is that he went and made all the mistakes, and now he's found something in the last few years that is really starting to work. And like lucky for us is we don't have to go through 20 years, 2 decades of making all those mistakes. We just get to go, okay, what are you doing, Richard? Great. This is what we're going to do what you're doing right now, because this is where he's had his most success in the last little while. And John, his son, has come up in the business and basically has just been rocking. He's got his own training portal. It's a great father and son team. And I think there's another son as well in the crew that I see on some of the leaderboards in one of the programs we're in. So how did they do it? How did I get introduced to them? Well, I got sent this thing. Seriously, guys, I got sent this little landing page. Copy and paste our free system that produced over $497 a day. We'll work with you step by step. So I got this from someone, and it basically is a really great funnel. Like, it's a great funnel, guys. It has multiple streams of income in it, recurring income. And if you guys want a copy of it, I'll put it down below. You're welcome to it. It has this is a great funnel. One of the tools in this funnel, which I really love, is the autoresponder. And the autoresponder is actually what they made that 200,000 with, guys. So if you look at this funnel, you'll see that they've made way more than 200,000 because this funnel has other components to it. But this is basically how you start it, right? So they created this funnel, and then they created a Facebook group, and they basically just trained people in that Facebook group, everybody that joined this, right? Because this funnel actually has a step-by-step video guide on how to set it up step by step. All you need to do is put in your, like I said, I'll send you the link, put in your email, and just go through the steps, right? Watch the video, do what the video says, watch the video, do what the video says. So they did that. They came out with a second version of this, which sort of pushed a couple other products. And I did push that a little bit, but I was kind of a little bit confused. I think it was confusing to them because they were crossing over to another funnel system. So this funnel is still going, guys. I get people opting into this funnel every single day. because it's just out there. I've got tons of links out there, tons of traffic still go to this funnel. I've got this funnel set up on my Twitter feed. It's on my YouTube feed. Like, you'll look at my YouTube, go scroll down my YouTube. Like, all my descriptions have this funnel in it. People can just join all through different ways. It's mostly through YouTube, my blog, and some Facebook stuff, but mainly YouTube, Twitter, and my blog. Okay, so it's everything that's going into this, guys, is free traffic. I'm not pointing any paid traffic to this anymore. I did send paid traffic to it for a while, but it's all organic traffic that goes to this, and I get leads every day on it. So what happened is in this transition, the person that owns the autoresponder, they don't own this, guys. They just made this funnel out of tools that everyone has online, everyone has access to. So the person that runs the autoresponder teamed up with another two companies, and they created this other funnel, which you've probably seen a lot of if you're subscribed to my channel or you watch my videos. Then you'll see that I've been really pushing this. Well, this is where Richard and John have started to go. They actually don't actively promote the six-figure funnel anymore, because this is actually a better funnel that uses a lot of the same components. It's there's some of the components in six-figure funnel are missing, but that's okay, because this funnel actually is converting like crazy. It's just getting started. It's just getting going. I think they're only at like 4,500 people are in it so far. So it's brand new, guys. It's like it's so in its infancy. Like 4,500 people. That's like, let's see. I want to see what that is. Let's see. Divided by. So I think that the Southern California has 30 million people in it, something like that. That's where I used to live. That's why I know it. Canada has 30 million people. So it is point zero. So if it's 1%, would be 0.01. 0.015% of the population of California or Canada. Like, there's nobody in it, guys. There's nobody in it. When you say, oh, that's so many people in it, there's nobody in it. Like, that's such a small fraction of a percentage of just one state, right? And this is worldwide, guys. I'm just showing you like what percentage of a state it is. Or a country like Canada. It's like 0.01%. Like, it's nothing. So it's just getting started, and this is what you want to get into. So I'm going to put the link to this as well. Now, how did they do it? Like, what did they do, guys? What they did here, let me jump back on here. They sent traffic to those two pages. That's all they did. Well, they did do the Facebook page, but guys, 1/10 of the people that they put in the funnel joined the Facebook page. Like 1/10. So it's not like the Facebook page is doing everything. It does a lot for the go-getters and stuff like that. But really, that funnel has made me a lot of money, and this new funnel is making me more money, and it's so awesome to be part of this team. Now, what do you need? What does it actually take? And this is where you're gonna probably get like, ugh. And I talked about it in my live video, and I talked about it yesterday, I think, in the leads video, showing you where to get leads. Now, you need to get leads, and leads cost money, either in paying for paid traffic or time, right? Writing a blog. Well, how much time does it take to write a blog? How much time does it do a YouTube video, right? How much time does it take to do your social media posting, right? So all these things are time. So time is still money, right? What's great is you do those things, and it's you do it once, and it continues to be out there because it's the internet, and you're using the leverage of the internet. So, but really, guys, it takes a ton of traffic. It takes a ton of traffic. You know, think about this. The rules is about 3% of people are successful. 97% of people fail, but they don't actually fail. What they do is they quit. The people that are successful, they just keep going, because the rule of this business is The longer you stay in, the more content you get out, the more organic leads you're going to get. That's just a reality. So you can either sit there and just do, do a little bit, get frustrated and quit, or you're like, I'm gonna go all in. I'm gonna try to get as much traffic to these links as possible. Remember, it only takes a couple really big super affiliates that these people might not even know they're super affiliates, that you sign up and all of a sudden they're just like, okay, I get it. And they're like, there's those people that go, you tell them like, do this, and they go, okay. And then they have massive success and they're like, how did you do that? And they're like, well, you told me to do this, and this. So I did it. And that's kind of like, don't overthink it. Don't complicate it, right? Just do the steps that are because they did it. They're on their way to having a 7-figure year. Easy 7-figure year. I'm pretty sure. Um, and basically all they're doing is the steps that they're showing people how to do. Like it's not even like they're going, we're just doing what we're telling you to do. There's no secret, right? You just need to do it. And this is the problem. People don't fail, they quit. So don't be a quitter. So that's the hard reality of it. I see so many people like, oh, well, I sent like 10 people to my landing page and no one signed up and I didn't make any money. It's like, send 10,000 people. And I know that sounds harsh, but that's the reality. Send 100,000 people. Send like a crazy amount of people to your link, right? Look at this. Here, I'm going to show you this. And this is why you want to be in this program, guys. I've sent 8,756 clicks to this link. Look at this. I've got 1,060 leads out of it. This is insane conversion, guys. Usually in another program, you'd send 8,000 clicks. You might have 400, maybe 500. This is 1,000. This is insane conversion, guys. It's just amazing. Out of those leads, look, guys, 17 sales, right? So it just takes time. Oh, I just popped a sale. I was at 16 before. There you go. How do you like that? While there's videos being done. So that's kind of some reality numbers, guys. That's just one of the funnels, right? Like, look at this, 513, 370, 580. There's another sale there. Oh, cool. 298. Yeah, there you go, guys. Anyways, so hopefully that is showing you sort of the reality of it. And guys, it just takes time. But make sure you find someone that's being successful right now and do exactly what they're doing. If you want it, if you just want to dabble, then dabble, right? But like, if you dabble, you could spend a decade of just going, oh, this, I don't know why it's not working for me. And guys, I get people signing up with me that have been doing this for a decade, and they're like, I can't seem to make anything work, because they do something for about 3 or 4 months. They don't see the success they want, and then they drop off, and then they pick up something else. They do it for 3 or 4 months, and then they find something else. They just keep doing it over and over. They'll go through 3 or 4 programs every single year, and all of a sudden 2 years have gone by. 3 years have gone by, and now they're on their 16th program, and then 4 years have gone by, and they're on their 20th program, and they don't stick with the program long enough to make it happen. So yes, you can look at other opportunities. Of course, I'm always promoting something that pops up new, but it's not my core. I stay with my core. I stay with the programs that I promote. Out of these leads, guys, just because I have 17 sales there, I'm selling them into other programs, some other high ticket programs. So the leads, those 1,000 leads that are sitting there, they're also being shown other opportunities, not just this, for these sales. So that's how it works. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. I really want you guys on the team. Check out the 2 funnels, grab them for yourself, right? The one is free. The 6-figure funnel is totally free. Just go do it. It's a totally free funnel. The other one, it is a paid monthly subscription, but that's how it's so incredibly sticky and is making great money. All right, guys, have a great night. Bye.